So some good things and bad things about SVM. The pro, of course, like they actually work really well in any kind of data, and there are a lot of packages which are available out there for SVM. And as I said, like this was one of the reason why the deep learning era was delayed. So starting from 90s, early 90s to like all the way 2010, 2012, like SVM, everyone was actually researching on this. So there's a lot of research and a lot of available code out there. The idea of this kernel-based framework, the transformation, that is actually very, very powerful. It's very flexible, and it allows you to learn like very, very complex decision boundaries. Because how complex the decision boundary is, if you just try to project that to a high dimensional space, that might turn it to like a very, very simple boundary, just a linear boundary. Okay, so that idea is very powerful. It's just like it was used in SVMs, but in general, I think that idea is very interesting. And I think so far I haven't seen like that kind of idea being incorporated into neural networks. If one can do that, I mean, I think that will make the neural networks even powerful. In a way, I mean, they might be doing it, but we haven't seen that done explicitly. And I will say that's like a very, very challenging research question as well. And as I said, in practice, SVM, they work really well. It doesn't matter, even if you have a very small training set, they will try to learn the boundary pretty well. The bad side is if you have a lot of data, then it's very hard to actually train these classifiers. Okay, they becomes like computationally inexpensive because like we have to solve that optimization problem, right? So if you have a lot of samples, it's not that trivial. The other limitation is like if you have multi-class SVM. I mean, we do have a trick to do it, but again, that's not like a very nice solution. And like you have seen neural networks, right? So it does it very effectively. I mean, you can have 2 classes or 1,000 classes. It doesn't matter. So yeah, that's the other issue, like computational or memory concern. If you have a lot of samples, it's very difficult to train these.